Good morning, students. It is our last class of triangles on same base and between same parallels. Now, let us do number 15 of exercise 9.3. It is given that diagonals AC and BD of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect at O. Area of AOD is equal to area of BOC. It is given. We have to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. That is, we are to show that AB is parallel to CD. Since one pair of sides in a quadrilateral, if one pair of sides are parallel, then it is a trapezium. Now solution. It is given that area of AOD is equal to area of BOC. It is given this area and this area equal. Now we add area of AOB on both sides. We add this area on both sides. AOBD plus AOB, we get ADB, and BOC plus AOB, we get ABC. Now we get area of ADB is equal to area of ACB. But these two triangles have equal area and they are on the same base AB. So, by the theorem, we find that AB is parallel to CD, because if two triangles have equal area and they are on the same base, then they lie on the same parallels. So, AB is parallel to CD and ABCD is a trapezium. Now, last sum number 16. It is given that in the figure, area of DRC is equal to area of DCP. Again, area of ACR is equal to BDP. We have to show that ABCD is a trapezium and DCPR is also a trapezium. Now, given that ACR, area of ACR is equal to BDP and area of DRC is equal to DPC. Now, we subtract DRC from ARC and we subtract DRC from ARC and DCP from BDP. Now we subtract this area. Then we get from the big triangle ACR, we subtract DCR. Then we get ADC. And from BDP, we subtract DCP. Then we get area of DBC. Now we get that area of ADC and BDC have equal area and they are on the same base DC. Therefore, they lie between same parallels AB parallel to CD. So, ABCD is a trapezium. By the theorem, triangles are on the same base and they have equal area. They lie between same parallels. Again, given that area of DRC is equal to DCP, but they are on the same base DC. So, they lie between same parallel DC and PR. Since DC and PR parallel, so DCPR is a trapezium. Now, we have finished the lesson 9. This is the last sum of 9.3. You practice the example sums also. It is easy lesson. You can understand easily. Thank you.